Alright, so now we're looking for, we have to sketch our function and identify some key features. So the first thing I thought I'd identify is what do they mean by key features? And with most graphs, the key features are stationary points and intercepts. So we're looking for stationary points and intercepts. Some of you are probably thinking we've already got our stationary points. We have our x values. So we know our x values for our stationary point. We need to find our y values. And for our intercepts, we have our x-intercepts, which we identified straight up by looking at the graph. Now, for those who are particularly aware of what's going on, when we've got our x-intercept there, we've also got our y-intercept. But I'll show us how to find our y-intercept, assuming we didn't know how to do that already. So let's start with finding our y-intercept. So y-intercept in both of these functions, both of these values, we're looking at the function f(x). So that's the main function we're looking at. So for the y-intercept, we want the fx, or we want fx equals 0. And then obviously for our stationary point y values, we need to sub our x value back into our function fx. So we'll go over here. We'll look over here. Assuming we didn't know that we'd already found our y-intercept, fx equals x minus 1 squared. That equals 0. Wrong way around. We let, what have I done? To find our y-intercept, we let x equal 0. Okay. 0 times x minus 1, 0 minus 1 squared. Doesn't matter what we're multiplying it by, 0 times anything is 0, so that tells us right now that we've got both a y and an x-intercept there. Now the only key features we need to find is f of 1/3 and f of 1, but we already know f of 1 because that's an intercept. So the only point we really need to find is this point here, okay, which we don't exactly know, but we can find out very quickly. So again, we sub that value into our function, 1/3, 1/3 minus 1 squared, which equals 1/3 by 2/3 squared, negative 2/3, which equals 1/3 by 4/9, which equals 4/27, which is, again, we look at that value, we don't need to know exactly where 4/27 is, we just need to know where it's less than 1, it's near a quarter, somewhere near a quarter. So we pick a point there, we call that 1/3, 4/27. Okay, that's our function. We know that our gradient goes negative. We know that then between those, it goes positive. Between those it goes negative, and then it hits a turning point where it continues to go back positive. So that's what our function looks like. Okay, we don't really need to know anything else about that function. There's no scale to our values. We just need to know intercepts, our points of inflection, and we've identified the key features of that function there. Hope that helps. Good luck.